Good morning to all wonderful delegates in this powerhouse. So, thank you, INSIC-2023, for giving this opportunity to introduce ourselves and how we have been doing our journey in the nuclear industry in India. So, basically, Cadmatic, it's a software from Finland, a very tiny country in the northmost pole. And we are basically into three different verticals. One is process and industry, marine, as well as constructions. So our team, and we comprise of around almost 26 nationals across the globe, and our existence in 16 countries, and we do have our own reseller partners also in more than 15 countries. And India being a second home for the business, so we have been growing quite stronger past 12 to 15 years. Our existence globally, where are we located? Orange dots, our head office, and red dots, as you can see, like they are our own local offices. And as you can see, like India, we have got multiple offices in different locations to cater our services to the need of the region. Our way of doing business, so it's not just software selling or doing some functionalities or something like that. We know what is required for the industry and how we can prepare ourselves to gear up, like to optimize the resources in engineering fronts, day-to-day designing activities. That kind of know-how we know. And I'm happy to share that more than 75% of our entire team belongs to engineering background, may it be chemical, process, nuclear, you name it, we are there. With the help of global and the local expertise, next I will take you to the real world, that is India's nuclear revolution past 15 years. Journey started in 2008, where I must appreciate the NPCL management. Then they really foresee like what is the importance of 3D models. So you can see like the earlier 220 megawatts or 5 megawatts, they are all with the 2D drafting, and it is quite challenging looking to the complexity of this projects. So the biggest challenges that time, database handling, because of more than 200 GB, which contains many components in the industry, which you are very expert in this. And moreover, developing a module that caters to the nuclear industry. And then third important is like delivering, it's not just the 3D model, but how we can extract these drawings, which can suit to the production or manufacturing or operation and maintenance. So that time, most of the softwares were with 32-bit applications, which was very challenging to handle such a complex natured project. And Cadmatic took it as a challenge, and with the cooperation of NPCL team, we developed a 64-bit, so which can easily handle such a huge projects. And now like 700 megabytes PHWR, which is a state-of-art technology of NPCL, so they are smoothly, hassle-free, they are working. Just a small glimpse what is today with our Cadmatic, how this PHWR projects are going smoothly without the crashing of the systems. And successfully we have completed 2 projects, PHWR, third is ongoing without any hassles. And what it contains in the 3D model, huge amount of data, 3D models, and not just the 3D models, but enormous amount of data behind each object. may it be pipe, piping component, duct, cable tray, you name it, it comes with the data sheet behind it. The reason is how we can utilize this data not only for the procurement, for the construction, but also how we can utilize it during the operation and maintenance. A complete life cycle management. Deliverables, again, quite challenging because they are the heaviest files, and with our own technologies, proprietary technologies, we made it sure that projects works very smoothly. I could announce today that nuclear projects is the biggest projects with overall the globe, with looking at these kind of number of objects in it. We are into other industries, but this is our industry where Cadmatic has been exploited in every modules. And we are ready for it. Again, I am counting on the challenges. The automation part. As you know, like 2D drawings, if a person start working, there are more than 70,000 extractions, and it takes mammoth amount of time. And due to reserved timeline, 36 months or 60 months of project activities, we should be capable of giving a right kind of solutions, not only for NPCIL, but also their networks, partners. And we achieved it by doing a lot of automations exclusively for nuclear industry. And today, as a result, like we have made successfully integration between the 2D, that is a process, to the 3D, so that nothing has been, like inconsistencies and all those checks have been taken care over here. So your design is flawless, and whatever the virtual module you see over here, similar type of is in the constructions. And this is very, very important, which we call it as a hot cake. We understood the challenges in NPCIL, and we came up with a very nice tool that is a review tool, design review tool. It can be learned within 1 hour. So it is used now today like by most of the engineers in not only the sites, but also your design team, procurement, maintenance, and they do a lot of comments, and it flows back to the design engineering departments. So today I should say like more than 100 automated e-browser files are created on the daily basis. So Kakrapar, Gorakhpur, Haryana, and now Kaiga is ongoing. So I can see those mammoth amounts of data in it. With this e-browser review tool, people are utilizing it more efficiently. And more important is how we can interface ourselves with external softwares also, like stress analysis, or you can say like for the simulation activities also. So how you can utilize this huge 3D into there. Yes, we invented some neutral file formats, and then that has given a birth to, like talking interoperability, what we always call. So that has been successfully implemented in NPCIL. And then in 2018, I heard about fleet mode, where like no need to wait for one project to complete. Parallelly, you can have n number of, projects. So we heard from design department of NPCIL, their requirements, how it is going to work and all. Then we prepared one nice add-on, you can say, functionality exclusively for this nuclear project, that is sister project management. What it does, like a mother project is always there. You can have multiple different childs where all the data, whatever is there, no doubt it reflects. If you agree that some new invention is there, if you want to, put it only for that particular projects, let it be there, or it can be distributed to other childs also. So this technology we use in marine, but similarly when we understood like this is what is the challenge, and we have showcased very confidently, and it has been accepted. So this is how we try to give the solutions. We cater our activities, how it can reduce the working hours. Secondly, when Gorakhpur, Haryana was completed, Kaiga started. You can say most of the percentage of project, it was almost similar. And if you want to do changes in certain formats, that is PNID conversion or 3D model namings, drawing conversion, again the, template namings and all, it takes a huge amount of time, and time estimated was 9 months. We took it as a challenge. And we studied, it took us 1 month, and then in the next 1 month, with a click of a button, all the Gorakhpur, Haryana, those whatever the required data converted into just in 30 days. So this is how we are trying to reduce your man-hour ratings. And moreover, the future, where we are let's not restrict ourselves to only design or procurement. How it can be utilized to the sites also. How it can be after the handing over or criticality attained, how to operate and maintain using this 3D data. And we have also come up with a very nice module called eShare. So wherein you can see your 3D model operations and connectivity of this 3D model to the external databases, which can be, related to operation maintenance. Click of a button, you can see a real-time information, what is happening in the site. So overall, there was also recent development, thanks to NPCL team for giving us a lot of feedbacks, and we have developed a kind of a cable router, so which is under discussion, and we are confident enough. Our journey past so many years, we know what is required for the industry. So the relationship past 15 years, it's not selling and going, but we believe what is after selling. How we can win the trust of the NPCIL by giving our dedicated services. My team is always available, and this is a dedicated team from R&D, customization, as well as, engineering front, the technical team also. So they always coordinate and understand patiently what is the need. And of course, we do the cross-questioning also, why you want to do like this when there is a way out. And they are very well accepted by NPCIL if it is pacing up their activities. So that is what our journey started from 2008, and as the results, the NPCIL is our main base from where we started growing, and words of mouth started in the market. So as a result, today we are in various owner-operators and engineering consultants I have listed over here. So even the BOTI projects, which BHL is doing, they are also started utilizing past 8 months now. They are very happy. So that is a small introduction and our journey with NPCIL in this particular industry. Thank you so much. Thank you.